How to highlight in PDF on computer, laptop, or PC, 2 simple methods. Here's how to highlight in a PDF using 2 simple methods. First method. First, open your PDF file. Then, right-click the file and choose Open with Microsoft Edge. Next, go to the toolbar at the top and select your highlight color. Finally, select the text you want to highlight, and it will be marked. Second method. First, open Microsoft Word. Then, open your PDF file inside Word. Next, select the text you want to highlight. After that, click the highlight icon in the top menu, next to the text options, and choose Text Highlight Color. Subscribe to see more videos like this.